Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today I have for you an unboxing, another unboxing. I know I'm kind of banging them out back to back here. I have to do that, you know? I mean, some days I get boxes and some days I just don't feel good. So on days that I do feel okay, I just like to get the videos out. That way they're kind of just lined up for you guys and I could just hit upload to YouTube and there it is for you, and I don't have to do a lot of work on the days that I don't feel good. But anyway, I have for you a box. It's called Bats and Bubbles. And I will tell you, this is a bit of a bummer. So I was really looking forward to getting this box, and I signed up for a 3-month subscription plan. And I signed up at like the 6th of June. And maybe it was like the 8th of June. And I'm like, okay, I'm waiting. So I email them like on the 3rd of July, and I'm like, hey, I signed up for this and I have not gotten a box. And they were like, oh, don't worry. You know, you signed up in June, but you will actually, your first box will be the July box, and we will send promptly. We ship everything on the 8th of the month and we expedite shipping. So this box does come from Canada. And so I'm like, okay, cool. So I waited and the 8th rolled around. I didn't get any tracking information, and I waited and I waited. And I waited and I waited. So on the 16th of the month, I emailed them. I was like, hey, you know, the last communication we had, you said that you would be shipping on the 8th and that that you expedite shipping. So, you know, I kind of expected my box before now and I haven't gotten it. I haven't even gotten tracking information. And I went back and forth with these people. Or this person. It was actually two. Someone named Nadine and someone named Joe. One answered some of my emails, and then another person answered another one of my emails. And I don't know, they couldn't tell me where my box was. They don't provide shipping to US or international. So my overall opinion on that is they couldn't tell me where my box was. And so I just said, okay, well, if you can't tell me where my box is, then just give me my refund, because, you know, unless you can provide tracking for my box, you know, to tell me where my box is and that you've actually sent it, because, you know, I don't know these people. And of course I want tracking. And then they go into all these excuses about how they're a small company and that, you know, it costs them extra money to get shipping. I don't know about for a company, but I have shipped things. I have just recently shipped something internationally, and it didn't cost me any extra to get tracking information for that. So, I mean, I shipped something all the way to India, and it did not cost me anything extra for tracking information. So I don't know how that is from a business perspective, because they ship in bulk. I don't know the details about that, but I will say that as someone that buys a lot of things, I absolutely appreciate tracking. And for someone that also sends quite a few things, because I like to give to people, I also always provide tracking. And I just think it's the right thing to do, you know, because someone you're shipping to, you don't know them. They don't know you. Tracking is a paper trail. So anyway, they don't provide tracking for international or US. And so I just said, okay, fine. Just give me a refund. And give me my refund for all 3 months, since I have no idea where my box is. And since I have no idea where my box is and you can't provide tracking for me to tell me that you've even shipped it, other than just to say that you shipped it. And so we went back and forth, and I was really disappointed. They were like, well, we can give you your refund for your 2 boxes, but we're not going to give you a refund for the box that we've already shipped. So finally I caved and I said, you know, this is really poor business practice. It's really unfortunate, but that's fine. Sorry, I'm getting a little irritated. I'm like, that's fine. Refund me the 2 months that you haven't shipped. And so when I retorted with, this is very poor business practice, Nadine come back and said, you know what, for the inconvenience, I'll ship you next month's box. I said, okay, fine. Ship me next month's box for the inconvenience and refund me my 2 months. So I'm sorry this is kind of a long rant, but in conclusion, what that tells me is that them shipping me a box, which with as much fuss as they put up with not giving me a refund for this box where I had no idea where it was, and they couldn't tell me where it was, for them to put up as much fuss for giving me a refund for this box, but then just being like, oh, I'll just ship you another box, tells me that the contents in this box are nowhere near the price that they are charging for it. So, I don't know how much this box is monthly. I paid for a 3-month subscription. I'm getting 2 months of that back. I did get a discount on the 3-month subscription. So for 3 months, I paid around $105 for 3 months. But I don't know. I find that that is very unfortunate that they would take a couple of days to come to a resolution with a customer that's not happy, not provide tracking. And, you know, I was so excited about this box. It just excited me because it felt like it was going to be Halloween every month, you know, and I absolutely love Halloween. But, so my final conclusion for this box, if you can afford it and you live in Canada, probably go for it, because even though I haven't opened it yet, I have seen unboxings of this, and I think that the stuff that they put in their boxes is really, really cute. I feel that it's unfortunate the way they treat their US, or potentially international customers. I don't know. I'm going to stop ranting now, and we're going to get into this box. But I mean, overall, my conclusion is if you live in Canada and you think you can afford this box, I think it's like $40 for this box. Maybe $35, I don't know. But since they provide tracking to their Canada memberships, I would say probably okay, but anywhere else I would say no. So this is what it looks like on the inside. It does smell really good. This is gonna make me sad opening this because I was really, really looking forward to this box. I really was. When I had seen people unbox it online, I don't know, it just took me back to my Gothic 20 days. And this is probably going to make me sad because of the way their customer service is. I think they have very poor customer service practices. And so just for that reason, I won't get this, I won't continue to pay for this box. And that makes me sad because I've seen this box unboxed and I think it's just so freaking cute. Okay, I need to stop complaining about the box. So it says Summer Goth, and it does tell you what is in the box, but it does not tell you how much anything is worth, which also goes to prove that the value of the box is much, much lower than they actually charge. I mean, that to me, that only makes sense. They wouldn't give me a refund for the box that I haven't received, but they were willing to ship me a free box. Okay. Whew. I'm going to stop complaining. I'm just going to open the box now. Okay. So the first thing I am pulling out is this, and that is just so cute. And I open it up, and on the inside, so we have some spring wriggly worms. Cool. And this is a pen, little bat pen. That's really cute. This box is gonna make me sad. And then this is a witch's potion. I don't know what this is. Let's see if we can find out what this is. Okay, so the witch potion bubbles are so cute and put a Halloween twist on a nostalgic summer pastime. They're bubbles, I guess maybe for a bubble bath? I don't know, it doesn't really tell you. It just says, remember I always found something so fantastic about bubbles as a kid, with their magic, like fleeting beauty, or maybe it was like the reminder of how temporary our existence really is. Just kidding. Either way, with the witch potion bubbles are so cute and put a Halloween twist on it. They did get this from the Oriental Trading Company, so that means that they paid like, I don't know, $1 for it. Okay. All right, moving on. So this is a pumpkin beach ball. Sorry I got stuck on those bubbles. I'm not sure if they're bubbles for the bath or bubbles to blow. I guess we'll figure it out. But they included a little pumpkin beach ball, which is cute, but I have no use for it because I don't go to the beach and I don't have kids that are young enough to enjoy something like that. The next thing I am pulling out is Bubble Love Soap Company, whipped soap. So it looks like this. It smells pretty good, and it looks like that. It has a little spider in there. Let me see, is it soft? Oh, it is, it's so soft. Oh, that's so soft. Okay, that's cool. I like that. And it's kind of shimmery, shiny. That's really cute. I like that. Now I don't have anywhere to wipe this. Here, let me wipe it on this. And then the next thing I am pulling out is Skull Bloom, and it is a bath bomb. That smells okay. It smells okay, but it's really super cute. And then the last thing I am pulling out is a pumpkin pineapple bath bomb. I think that's what this was. It's scented in a light strawberry and eucalyptus scent. It's a pineapple o-lantern. It's just bath and body products, so it doesn't actually say what it is. This pineapple and pumpkin is scented in a light strawberry and eucalyptus scent. Did you know eucalyptus is a natural insect repellent? It's kind of soft, kind of hard, but it doesn't tell you what it actually is, so I don't know if it's soap, I don't know if it's a bath bomb. And it doesn't actually say what it is anywhere. So I guess it's just a figure it out for yourself type of a thing, but it is super cute. I think that this is great, and I think that this is great. I will eat these right now, and I don't know what this is. Nothing has prices, but so my overall conclusion of this box is I do like the products. I wish they would tell you what they are in a little more detail, because honestly, I just have no idea what this is. And I'm just going to have to assume that since this doesn't have like a blower, even though it talks about blowing bubbles in the summer. So my overall conclusion of this box, if customer service would have been better, if I would have had a better experience with customer service, I really don't. I don't think this is worth the price of the box. If I were to guess, I would say that everything that I have seen in this box might cost $10 or $15 if you put it all together. And for a $40 box, that's just not worth it. But if they could have just said, we're so sorry, we'll get you tracking, or we'll get you tracking next time, or I don't know, if they were just more apologetic for not doing what they said that they were gonna do, I guess. I would say if you're willing to pay more for a box than it is worth, and if you live in Canada, go for it. But, I mean, I canceled. I'll get the other box if they actually send it to me. That's really all I have. I hope you guys had a great day, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.